how to turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. So the stolen device protection is a new feature on your iPhone run on latest iOS 18. With this turned on, no one will be able to turn off your iPhone passcode under 1 hour if misplaced. So if you want to turn this off, or you may need to turn this off if you want to change your iPhone passcode or you want to reset your Face ID. So basically here, I'm going to walk you through how to turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative at the end, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, scroll down. Locate Face ID and passcode and then click on that. You'll be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode. Then go ahead and type in your iPhone passcode. Once you do that, you'll be taken to the Face ID and passcode settings page. Now, scroll down the page. Once you scroll down the page, you should see the stolen device protection is turned on. To turn this off, just click on it. Then here, you have stolen device protection enabled. To disable it, just toggle this off. Then you'll be prompted to confirm your Face ID. Then you should see that says security delay required to change stolen device protection. Then this security delay is going to last for 1 hour. Now go ahead and click on start security delay. Then you should see the countdown as the security delay in progress. So just go ahead and click on done. Now once the security delay is completed, you'll be notified that you can now turn off the stolen device protection on your phone. So you should scroll down the notification on your phone. Then you're going to see the stolen device protection notification that prompts you to disable security delay on your phone. See that security delay has ended. So if you click on this, you'll be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode and then turn off the security delay on your iPhone. So that is basically how to turn off stolen device protection on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.